Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video from WEBA. Today I'm going to show you how to connect the D8 Pro smartwatch on your smartphone. Okay, so in this case I'm using an Android device, specifically a Samsung A15, which I already has a full review on the channel. So step 1, scan the QR code. The first thing you need to do, as always, is to find the QR code of the smartwatch. This code is usually on the watch or inside the user manual, although most people do not check it. Here is something important: not all smartwatches use the same app. Each QR code can be different. Now, open the QR code scanner app, take your phone and scan the code, and just like that, you will get a direct link to download the application. Important, super important. In some cases, like what happened to me, the browser may show that this link is unsaved. This happens because the website does not have the security certificate, or well known as SSL. This means you could be exposed to malware or attacks. So here is what you should do. Do not download from the link. Instead, take the name of the app and search for it directly into the Play Store or Apple Store if the case that you are using, of course, an iPhone. Step number 2, install and set up. Once you find the app, install it and open it. This method is much safer. Accept the privacy policy, grant the requirements, permissions. Now go to device, add device, turn on Bluetooth, and scan for nearby devices. Tip: turn on GPS to improve detection. Also, it is another requirement, of course. Allow location access and select the D8 Pro. The watch will start connecting, and that's it. The watch is now connected. Step number 3, connect the earbuds. Now, let us connect the earbuds. Take the earbuds out of the watch, close the case, and turn on Bluetooth. Look for D8 Pro and pair it. And that's it. You now have connected the smartwatch and the earbuds. Now you have connected the smartwatch and the earbuds. Personal note: in my case, I will not give access to my contacts because I do not need it. I will use this watch for exercise, listen to music, not for calls. If this video helps you, please leave us a like, leave a comment and share this video. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye bye.